Yes, my wonderful people. I hope everybody is doing cool. Everybody is doing well with their trading. This is just the cafe here. A motivation to all Namibians. People, I want to tell you something. Try to do this thing. Try to trade. It's a good thing that you're working. Whoever is working is also something good, but try to invest just the little. I'm not telling you to risk your money. Just take little. For instance, this is my account. um um this is this is only a $30 account. I found it. This is the deposit, ne? Deposit of $29 is $30, ne? Which is around about 500 Namibian dollars. This is nothing. So this single trade, I'm going to hold it for how many days? I think I'm going to hold it for up to 5 or 6 days. It's going to give me 300 something, from $30 to 300. I think within 3 days. That's what I think, because usually I used to grow an account of $3 to a certain amount, but the $1 or $3 I used to scalp. To scalp a little bit, I go to boom and crash, and then I just scalp the candles. I take it to a level, maybe to $30 or $50, and then I start to swing it. Or sometimes I will use it to catch spikes when it's stable. So this is it. Let me tell you something. Find the people with the right information. Find the people that really knows how to do this. This is my strategy that nobody has. As you can see, maybe by the screen of my phone, you can also copy if you can, but this is my strategy. It's not for anybody. This is a strategy. This is a magic strategy that is doing wonder. With only a very small account, this strategy is going to give me a lot of money. So let me tell you something. From $30, you can see this $30, this account is going to go up to 300 something or 400. It all depends to how everything is going to be, whether the strategy is going to tell me to TP or whether I should hold. So I place a single trade. I know that even though the market goes against me, it's never gonna blow out account with that loss size I have used. That is risk management. I know my risk and I know my reward. So the reward is very high. This is volatility 10 as we are speaking. This is on a strong this pair is on a strong uptrend. So I don't even do analysis like mainly on the chart. All I have done, this is my 4 hour time frame. As you can see, if you zoom, it have make a double bottom. Yeah, as you can see, this is the first the first shoulder. This is the second one. This is double bottom. As you can see, it's already a signal that the market is going to go up. So this is 4 hours. 4 hours, we are going to hold this for days. If I click my 1 hour time frame, as you can see, the market is oversold. It's oversold. Whenever the market come to this range, I don't hesitate. I place my trade. The only pullback that this market is gonna make against me is just a small pullback, and then it goes up. I'm going to hold. Sometimes you will find that this market will put you in profit of few dollars, and then it drag you out, and then that is just a consolidation that is going to happen within that period. But I know that the market is going to go up. This is just the cafe here. Let me click my 30-minute time frame. As you can see, 30-minute time frame, the market came all the way from overbought. Now it's kind of heading to oversold, but that is not it's not gonna affect anything. As you can see, in in 15-minute time frame, this market is highly oversold. As you can see, it's oversold. I'm just looking at the single thing. It's oversold, and in this one, it's heading from oversold. Now it's going to overbought. But when this market pick up here, there's no way that this market will come back here. It will obviously just go up. So 1 minute time frame, the market seems to be overbought, but I know the main trend is to the upside, it will force me up. As you can see, it's just doing that consolidation, but I know that $30 is going to give me 300 within 5 days holding just a single trade. I'm going to ignore that account. I will leave it out like I don't have an account currently. As you can see, where have you seen a trader? You might think I might sound stupid trading without putting any stop loss, but in psycho, I know what I'm doing. I know that the market can make whatever you call its pullback and whatever you call it, but it never gonna go. It never gonna blow out that account. If for this, if I was a greedy person, if I'm to place two trade of this one or three, obviously any pullback against this market, it will affect the account, and then the account it will be blown out. But simply because I know what I'm doing, only a single trade that is going to give me money. So for you, it's not something difficult. Just find the right people that knows right information and start doing this thing, man. So yeah, how this is not even, it's not gonna ask me a month only. I'm talking about 5 or 6 days that this account is going to give me $300. I'm going to hold those trades. They can be whatever. This is something I have done already, man. So this is something I did analyze this whatever already. Everything is up to date. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Let me check it on daily. I don't know about daily. I haven't checked it yet. Yeah, on daily, as you can see, it have reached the previous support level. As you can see somewhere here, is going to resist. It's going to be rejected somewhere here. It will be taken up before it comes again. So there's no way this market is going to break this support level. So this is somewhere here is going to be a rejection. The market will go up. That's why I placed that buy trade without any stop loss. Without any stop loss on that single account. You can see it's just fighting to profit. It never wants to go down. So it's done by somebody who knows what he's doing. So let me show you how I work with this strategy. It's a very effective strategy. If I'm to show you how I catch spikes with this strategy, you won't believe. This is how it works. Whenever it crosses between these two zones, these two levels, you take a buy. It can be either 1 minute, it can be 15 minutes. If you want to make a quick profit, 15 minutes also works very well. Yeah, as you can see it's in that zone. If you place your buy, you will obviously get that. If it crosses in that zone, you sell, you will make your money. It crosses in the zone, your buy. This is just how I do it. But we don't just blindly do it. So when I'm to see this market crosses in 1 minute, it make a cross here within this zone, I don't just place a trade. I have to make my confirmation in 5-minute time frame. If my 5-minute time frame tells me the same way, I will place a trade. Obviously I will find myself in profit. When I'm to do it, I do the same thing. Let me show you how you catch spikes. You will be amazed. How do I catch spike in with this strategy? Is so wonderful. I catch each and every little spike that I see in front of me. So this is how I do catch spikes. Whenever you see this is I'm only using 1 minute time frame. Whenever you see your indicators, these two indicators, whenever they come to touch this level 20 and level 10, so I will be looking at my RSI. When I see these indicators at this zone, what I will be looking at is my RSI. Whenever my RSI touches 30, I take a buy. You will catch that spike. Whenever my RSI come at level 30 or level 10, if it comes at level 30, no spike, I will place again. I'll wait for it to touch level 10, and then I place another buy. This is the way the trend mostly reverses. So the trend was a downtrend. It came all the way from here, and then when my effective indicator came to touch these levels, I will look at my RSI and then catch all these spikes here. You will catch it, you will catch them, and if you hold, you will see yourself in big profit within few minutes. As you can see, let me wait for, okay, let me tell you something. Where the zones used to shift, if, okay, for instance, the market is like this in 1 minute time frame, for me to strongly believe that is gonna be a lot is gonna happen here, the market will go up, I will make my confirmation in 5-minute time frame. If my 5-minute time frame is like here, is like this, as one as 1 minute time frame, oh, I will have hope that this market will completely go up before it comes off. But because maybe when the market shift the zone is simply because 5-minute time frame was overbought. So when 5-minute time frame is overbought, 1-minute time frame is oversold, it will only make a small pullback, and then it shifts the zone, and then it goes down like this. When 1 minute is like this, but 5-minute and or those other time frame are overbought, this is how the market does. So if I come in the market, I find the market is oversold in 1 minute time frame, even though other is overbought in oversold in 1 minute time frame, and those other time frame the market is overbought, those bigger time frame, I will not place a buy trade, because I know it's only a small pullback, and then the market continues its way. So this is how I catch spikes. You can see I just I used to come at the zone of spikes. I don't go where there are no spikes, because I love catching spikes. What do? I just come at this zone. As you can see, this zone is a zone of spikes. So what I do is to I will wait for this RSI to come here, wait to come, and then when this RSI is at these two levels, either 30 or 10, I catch all those spikes, and the reversal of the trend, the whole of it, I eat them up. As you can see, if you don't know, this is just the cafe here. This is how we do it. I'm just telling people. So I will drop a very profitable strategy, a free one. This one is not, don't feel bad, ne? This one is not for free, people. Don't feel bad. It's my strategy. I haven't handed it to anybody. Don't feel bad when I didn't place the setup. So I will give you one which is for free. This one is my strategy. It's not at anybody. It's my strategy. Don't feel bad. Don't expect me to place every time free strategies. I will do so when I want to do so. So feeling bad, you can feel bad, but I will upload free profitable strategy, but this one is mine, so let it be. In I'll upload it for free if I feel like, but this is my strategy. So learn how to do this thing. As you can see, I said the market is just pulling there, and I will hold this. You can see shooting like I've told it to do so. I didn't tell the market to do so. So this market, I told you, you don't some people were asking me, say, I'm only having a $30 account, can I swing trade with that account? It doesn't matter. $30 is a lot of money, man. Even a $10 thing, maybe if it was $10, if this market goes against me, it's possible for the account to be blown, but I know $30 is stable. Start at $30, man. You go $40, $50, and on so on. So to swing trade, as long as you are having an effective strategy, when you go into the market, you are not afraid. You are not I don't only, when I post, maybe when I make a video of a strategy, and of maybe when I make a video of whereby I've made that profit, people won't believe how I have made it. So I've made this one and place that trade to show you how everything's supposed to be done. So the market can be oversold like this one. This indicator didn't cross yet. I know it's oversold, but those other time frame, as I told you, like I was saying, this time frame is oversold. This one is oversold. It's at their zone. This one is oversold. What is your problem? This one is oversold. Hey, This one is still oversold, but this one is not completely oversold. It's only pointing down. You gotta be careful about the market. So when this market head and maybe somewhere here, when it's about to reach a specific area, this one is going to turn and it's going to be a little bit flat. It shows me that the market is now oversold, but in 4 hours not yet completely oversold. Only when it's a bit flat like this, then you can count as that market is oversold. So you can see, man, you can see market structure, that this market will just go up, and USD Cafe knows that. So this RSI is mainly to catch spikes. We don't blindly catch spike with RSI. We use other indicators as confirmations to catch spikes when I want to trade. So I'm not that person that is afraid of anything now. When I go to forex space, I will use this strategy. When I go to boom and crash, I will catch my spikes in 1 minute time frame. When I want to scalp, I will use my RSI, and with this indicator I can also place this is just to swing trade, and to scalp you can do everything with this strategy. So that is how the strategy is doing, and is doing wonder. This is my strategy. Please people, don't feel bad. I didn't reveal the setups, the configuration of this strategy. So this one is mine. I was just it's just a motivation to people that really wants to do it, and that really feelings what can I say, they are not confident when they have got a small account. This is a very small account, but I'm going to, when this account reached the $300, I'm going to make wonders with this account. Once it's at $300, I will catch spikes within a day. I will make more than $300. You know, I used to double accounts. I used to double account. At $300, I will double it to $300. When it's whatever, just with spikes. Spikes, they really pay. You're gonna be paid by spikes. I like spikes. They pay you a lot of money. Like spikes, they really pay. If you just see this indicator is at this zone, all you got to look at is just at your RSI. Your RSI, and then what is difficult, you will be paid. You will get paid. I don't really catch spikes when I'm having a smaller account. I used to scalp trading candles and all those kind of things when I'm having a small account. This one can also trade candles, man. If it crosses there at over, you can catch up to 10 candles. If it crosses in oversold, 10 candles, and then I'm out of the market. If it crosses 10 candles, and then I'm out of the market. If it crosses like 10 candles, I'm out of the market. If it crosses 10 candles, I'm out of the market, and then I will see that account at $70. Once it is at $70, I will come to spikes, and then start catching spikes in 1 minute time frame. When I'm tired for that day, I'm done catching spikes, I'm done scalping, I will leave swing I will leave trade running. Swing trades, they're gonna run for days. It's either 2 days, 3 days. I trade my trade used to run up to only 6 days. I don't go really more than that, and I know what I'm doing. So yeah, once again, motivation. This $30 is going to go to $300 within 6 days, and after that, those 6 days, from $300, I'm going to scalp within that single day. It will jump to $600, and then I trade whenever I want. This is how I do it, people. So the free strategy is coming soon. Don't feel sad. This is my strategy. So yeah, this is just the cafe here, currently signing out.